Hello everyone, now I'm going to show how to send images which are captured from the ESP32 cam through the SMTP server, which is through email method. So what is a SMTP is simple mailing transfer protocol wherein we will be sending images through a mail from a sender to the receiver. So here author email is nothing but the sender email, and the author password is nothing but the app password which we will create from the Google Apps. So to create a app password, we should first go to a browser, Google browser, and so once we log in, we have these this app password. So we should go to my account or google.com, and from there we should go to our app source, app passwords. In the app passwords, we should be able to we should first enter a password if prompted, and after typing out our Gmail password, we should type in the app specific password, a specific name. So we should type a name for that, and after typing the name we get a 16-digit password with some spaces in between. But while copy pasting that to the code, we should ignore the spaces, and we so that we can send a email through the SMTP server. So um, what we have is we use the SMTP library. So this is the ESP mail client, which will help us to send mail mail through these SMTP servers. So what we have is we will create this SMTP session, and this will start the session for the SMTP server, and then this is for the time interval between each camera capture. So after 30 seconds the camera will again capture and send it to the SMTP server. So this is for the any error message, this is for the callback, and then we'll have this send photo, wherein we will have this ESP mail session. What it does is we'll start this mail session for the sending purpose. The host will be 460, the host will be smtp.gmail.com. So this is the host name we should type in. If you are using email for Yahoo and Office Outlook, it will be something else, and even the port too will be initializing. So the SMTP will have the session.server.port to SMTP port. We will then send a mail through the author email by logging in with the author password. Then we have this SMTP message which will create a new message, and the here we have message.sender.name ESP32 cam, which means we will the name this is the heading of the mail, and the sender email. So if you know the email format, there'll be this first we should type the title, and by default it will be the sender email because we are the ones who are typing the email, but here we'll be automatically sending it. And then in message dot is we have the subject too. We add the subject and we add this recipient. With this format we have a receiver and a recipient email. The body will include like the these text, and Then we will have this SMTP attachment. So here we will be creating, we'll describe the file name which is captured by the ESP32 cam, and we will send the description mime, which will be image slash JPEG. So if you remember in the web server hosting in ESP32, with ESP32 we had text slash plain and and the slash html text slash html. Here we have image slash JPEG, and then if the SMTP does not connect and the session to the session, then we will send the SMTP error reason, and when we'll again go back to ESP cam FB return, which will again start capturing to try again. Then so we will have a delay for the sending the uh, image. So first, before sending, we should first connect to the SMTP server. After connecting, after logging in, we'll send the email, and again after 30 seconds. So here the interval is there. So after 30 seconds, we'll again we'll call the send photo function in this loop. To test this, I'll just connect the ESP32 cam, go to our terminal. So you can see it started capturing. The reason disconnected was because the image will again start sending after 30 seconds. What it happens is, we first connect to the SMTP server. After that, we'll send this response to the SMTP server, and we'll log into the SMTP server with the app password which we created, and then we will have the message header, and we'll have the message body. Then with the attachments we will send, which is the image, so it's photo.jpg, and after sending the message, we close the session, so that it does not stay open, because we have to so close the session and then only send the email. So this happens every 30 seconds. You can try it out and check it in your other email if it works or not. So yeah, thank you.